to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today me and Katie are going to Prague. She is on the bus, she is over here. You in the frame?
I'm not in the frame.
You in the frame?
Yes.
We're going to Prague. I've driven and parked in the car park, but we're just on the bus into the airport now from the car park. It is bloody freezing in the UK, and we are going to Prague where it's even more bloody freezing. I'm wearing my new coat which I got for £22.50 from Marie Curie, and this coat retails for £250, so I'm feeling quite snuggles in my coat. I don't know how much I'm going to vlog and what the vlog's going to be like, if I'm going to do one big one or like multiple days, but we're here, it's Sunday today and we're here till Wednesday in Prague. So yes, I will update you soon. This is the coat, for those who are wondering. It's from the White Company originally. I should have a toilet, check off my hat. Always I'm wearing so many layers, but then ultimately, like, obviously I'm going to be too sweaty in the airport, but here, I'm going to get a bag from duty free, put coats in that, I think. Okay, so just for security, wow, my hair looks crazy. I was saying, Katie, bless her, got stopped to go through the other machine thingy, and then her bag got put to the other side, so she's still waiting. I have got my stuff. It's bloody boiling in here, so I'm taking off my layers already. Probably will end up taking off another layer because I'm so hot. But yes, we are free. Well, I'm free security. Katie's just getting her bag sorted, and then we're gonna go through, get some food, maybe learn some Czech before we go. And yeah. Some Wittard samples. It's very nice. This is the Christmas hot chocolate, and it's very good. We just got a meal deal each. And then it's really busy here actually once we've come through, and the queues are really long. A lot of flights have been delayed.
We're very concerned.
Cancelled. A lot of things have cancelled. Ours has been delayed for 1 hour and 10 minutes, which we already, if you guys didn't know, had our flight moved from about 6 AM until about 6 PM. So we're already missing half a day.
Which actually did me a huge favour because it meant I could get home from uni this morning.
Yeah, so it's somewhat okay. But it has been delayed another hour, and we're not entirely sure that the trains are going to be running very late from the airport to the centre of Prague. But that's a later us problem, so we're getting a Wagamama's instead of listening to our problems, because Wagamama's is more important. So yeah, that's what's happening. Okay, we've made it to Wagamama's, and our flight is now delayed from originally 6 AM. Then it was delayed to 6 PM. And now we're here, it's saying it's not going to be until about 5 to 9, which means there's going to be no trains when we get there, which we're going to get the train from the airport to the centre. So that no longer works. We're going to have to get a cab. So we're a little bit pissed off, but we're getting a Wagamama's, and that will cheer us up. Just got our duck roses, and we've been planning our route for tomorrow and the next day. Yay! Got our capsules. Okay, so it's currently about 10 to 8. And we've just got a gate number. However, our flight's now not saying it's leaving until 11 o'clock at night, which means we won't get to the airport until about 10 to 2 in the morning, which means we probably won't be able to find a cab. And if we do find a cab, we're not going to get to the hotel until what, 3 AM?
I don't want to do it.
This is really annoying. We made it to the gate, and they said something about in 20 minutes they'll know what's happening. Whether that, I heard someone say about the runway being closed, whether the snow, it's really snowed now here, whether the snow's affected the runway or flights or whatever, but it's not looking great, guys. Guys, here's my update. I don't think this vlog will ever go live because I'm not quite sure we're actually going to go to Prague. So we're waiting at the gate still. Someone has said that basically the flight is not cancelled, it's delayed, which would probably be that 11 o'clock time. But at the moment there's no flights coming in to Gatwick, which is a bit embarrassing because there's about not even a centimetre of snow. So the flights aren't coming in. I spoke to my dad, and he said inevitably the airport has to shut at some point. So I'm not sure what we're going to do. I may post this as an airport disaster video because at this point it is a disaster. But Katie's gone up to ask. I'm laying on my bag. And I'm sad because if this cancels, and fucking Rome's got cancelled like a couple of months ago, my travelling is not going very well. We're laughing so we don't cry. The flight's been cancelled. Still not updated yet on the board. It's only on the app. We're gonna have to drive home now, and I've never driven in the ice before. My tyres are already an advisory on my MOT, so lol, are we gonna make it back? God, is this my last vlog? Will it be post from beyond the grave?
Please pray for our safety.
We met loads of really nice people though, in fairness, a silver lining.
Oh, Amy. There's a burst water pipe opposite my house.
Okay, We are now having to walk to gate 54, which is where we get out. We're then going to have to get the long stay bus back to the car park to drive home. Then we'll have to try and claim our money back, which should be interesting because we booked it through a third party. We booked it through Love Holidays, which I do actually really recommend when they work. And then hopefully try and, Katie, book Prague for the new year.
No.
Yes. Why are you saying no? We're going to Prague.
Not till there's no snow.
Yeah, okay. Prague in the summer,
Yeah.
but not too hot so the plane melts. I don't know. I think the next update...
Time there was a bird that flew in the thing about me.
For fuck's sake. Okay, hopefully I'll update you when I'm home. That is... I don't even know what to say. Bye, everybody. Your thoughts for the vlog? We're now trying to find my car, but every car is covered in snow. We know approximately where we were, but no more than that. I then got to try and drive home. I think we might be in this row. I think we might be over here, actually. I don't know, I've got snow on my shoes. And just like that, I'm home. The drive was actually okay. The only bit was bad was like coming into like my estate. But yes. Prague did not happen. It may happen in the future, but it was actually quite a fun evening. You can probably tell me and Katie to keep in kind of good spirits, even though it was quite a annoying situation. But we still had quite a fun afternoon. Met so many lovely people who were in so much worse positions. Like people were trying to get home for Christmas. There was an exchange student who was only about 18, bless her, and she was trying to get home for Christmas. There was a guy studying medicine in Prague who was going to do his final exam in front of a panel of doctors on Wednesday, and if he doesn't get there, you know, he's got to redo it all. So there was people who are in such worse situations than us. Obviously we had a car so we could drive home. I must admit, when I got home, my hands were cramped from holding the steering wheel so tight. My neck was stiff from, I think, just concentrating and, yeah, just being really stressed, but it was fine. And I'm home. And today I'm actually going to go up to London to do the Crystal Maze experience with my aunt. She'd already booked it, and because I was meant to be in Prague, I couldn't go. But yeah, I'm going to go now, which is really nice. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I didn't know they were going to upload it or not, but I thought, oh, it's still quite funny. So I thought I'd upload it anyway. I was just complaining for about 5 minutes. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I feel like this will come up really before Christmas, which is a really funny video to have just to upload just before Christmas, but here we are. Subscribe if you're not already. This isn't what my usual content is like, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.